Hello adventurers and welcome to Wednesday, I believe, and welcome to Cozumel, Mexico! So me and Sean are going to go on an ATV ride, and then the girls are going to hang out with my mom and papa today. This is going to be so fun. Check out Mexico, beautiful port to sit here and be at. It'll be so great. My favorite breakfast now, ever since the Disney cruise actually. Oh, there's K-Rings. The shore excursions are meeting. And we're going on the Jade Caverns by ATV. The store has muscle relaxers, anti-inflammatories, and cream. Crazy.
I only have a couple.
No, on the tote card. Do the ATV. See you after. Getting ready to take off. We'll see you after because I cannot record while I'm doing it. That was awesome. Definitely highly recommend. Oh, Kayla and Jake. Very fun. And super muddy and gross. This will be where I get hurt. Do we realize that? Like, I'll lock all these people down. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh.
Whoa. Are you okay, buddy?
It stinks. It does.
Okay. This kid. God.
So there's fruit bats. You hear the bats, you hear them? They're going squeak, squeak, squeak.
Get the water bottle every morning, right? The water is a secret, okay? Because he's not allowed to jump from there. But occasionally you want to do it?
They're fruit bats, not vampire bats, but there are actively bats flying around. Oh my goodness. That's really cool. Slash, John's kind of scared.
You ain't coming?
Do you see him? Look, there's one right there on the back wall. Look at the roots of this tree right here. Oh, there's some. It's kind of clear. They're saying this is their drinking water. There goes Sean. Okay, here we go.
Good job. Good job. That's it. Oh, that hurt.
Oh my God.
We go.
Wow. This is the keynote where Sean just jumped in. It's starting to rain. Kind of pretty. So we got to see this really cool keynote, the Jade Caverns, and you see all these fruit bats in there, and then the questionable water. So I'm not jumping in, but almost everybody else did. But like with the bats drinking and pooping in it, I think I'll pass. But yeah, now it's starting to rain, which is beautiful. Let's head out of the rainforest. This is a small bridge here. Kind of ridiculous. I do not like that. Keyla tasting. Bathrooms here, not much. You can get your pictures. There's a cat. So I thought the ATV thing was awesome, super loved it. The Jade Caverns was questionable, I don't know if I'd like that or anything, but that company, El Cidre, I guess, Wild Tours, super good, highly recommend, especially if you like to go fast on ATVs. Like that was super, super fun. Yeah, so definitely go and give them a like on their page as well. I will link them down below.
Baddies, you want to be aware of the 270 weight limits. That would be an issue for some of you.
Okay, so now it's about 3 o'clock. We're heading back onto the ship. We're gonna grab some lunch before we meet up with the girls and everything, before we sail away from Cozumel. Central Park, headed to Park Cafe. Time for some pool time. Next to Celebrity X Cruises. Mom and Dad got me some eye drops. $11 for some eye drops. Crazy.
I'm fine with you.
On to the boardwalk. I watched the Aqua Theater. Headed to the water show.
This guy.
He was in the elevator. The show was great. I think I liked it better than the ice show, but they were both really, really good. Lots and lots of dancing in the Aqua show. It did feel a little bit closer to 8, which is making us a little tiny late for dinner, but I think it'll be okay. So just drop the kids at kids area, kids fun, Adventure Ocean, and then we're headed over to go to dinner over at the main dining room. Tonight is Caribbean Night. So tonight is Battle of the Sexes and stuff, but it does start at 10:15, which is during the extra hours. So I don't know if I want to do that or not. Time for dinner.
Has the same pineapple and black bean salsa.
Okay.
Same fried dumpling, rice and beans, and
Yep.
fried plantain. Typical Jamaican stable meal.
Like Caribbean Night is something my least favorite. I like that. As you can see, I have a little issue with my eye here, so it's also fun. So definitely check into my eye journey here. But now we're going to the music hall and do an If You Know It dance. We're going to check out this game show before we get a Battle of the Sexes. So cute. Looks like a record, the drink menus. Like, that's cute.
That's fine. So you get a chance to have some fun down here. There you go. All right, make sure you take your drink to the side. Don't drink.
Battle of the Sexes is okay. Not really like just like volunteers in the audience kind of thing doing that. We're gonna go over here and try the comedians, see how that goes. But the dance it one, super, super fun. Highly recommend. Yes, we're gonna get pizza. We're gonna get pizza and then we're gonna go back home. Go back to the room. After some pizza, headed in, calling it a night. And the headliner was not comedy. It was like this, like doing all kinds of music and stuff. So, you know, we're calling it a night about 10:45 or so. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, be adventurous, and we'll see you next time. And bye from the Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas.